Hello. The Jython Scripting for FDMEE training course is available as classroom or live online training with an instructor over the internet, or as self-paced on-demand training that allows you to build expertise in your own time at your own convenience. The on-demand service provides instant access to the course materials, a hands-on lab environment to undertake the workshops, and personalised support if you need it. It's a 2-day course aimed at FDMEE administrators and consultants who are looking to get the most out of their application by customizing and improving their workflow. This comprehensive course introduces the scripting capabilities of FDMEE and explores the use of the Jython scripting language. You'll experiment with using the various script types that are available and will explore several use cases for each. Discover how import scripts can be used to tailor the details that are imported to FDMEE during the import process. See how mapping scripts can be used to customize the mappings that are applied. Discover how event scripts can alter the standard workflow by triggering additional processes, and how custom scripts can be used to enable functionality that needs to be run on an ad hoc basis. During the course, you'll gain an understanding of Jython syntax and how various commands can be accessed. This includes the use of variables, comments, string methods, formatting operators, functions, conditional branches, lists, loops, and other scripting features. You'll gain experience of displaying custom messages, writing messages to the FDMEE process log, executing SQL queries, handling errors, and working with text files, along with other common scripting techniques. You can download the detailed agenda to see exactly what's covered, but if you're working with FDMEE and looking to kickstart your understanding of Jython, this Keyteach training course is a must for you as classroom, live online with an instructor, or as on demand.